Hi, writers! Today we're talking about spaces and using spaces between our words. I wrote two sentences on my board here. They both say, I can run. Do you think the top one is easier to read or the bottom one? Yeah, the bottom one is easier to read. Why is this bottom one easier to read? Because there's spaces between my words. This one looks like one big word and it says, I can run. And it's hard to tell where one word starts and another word ends. So it's hard to tell. It looks like one big word. But down here, I can see clearly I have 1, 2, 3 words, and I can read I can run. And I can see those because they're spaces. So I want you to practice using spaces in your words. So let's take a look at what that'll be like. You'll use your finger to hold a space on your paper before you start your next word. So let's write that same sentence. We'll work with I can run. So I know the first word I, and I know how to spell I. It's just the letter I. So I'm going to go ahead and write that I. And then after you write I, you're going to put your finger here as a finger space. Okay, there's my finger space. It's holding a space. And then I'm going to write can. And I can, I'm going to put my finger here to hold the space, and I'm going to write run. That's an R. Oh, and then I need my end mark. I'll put a period. I can run. And see how there's spaces now between my words? So after each word that you write, put your finger to hold a space and then write your next word. And put your finger to hold a space, write your next word. I can run. Okay? So today, when you're writing, after each word, I want you to use your finger, put it on your paper right after that word before you start your next one, and that'll hold a space. The poster that I made for today says put spaces between words. And then I did the same thing that we just did. I put a finger space here to remind us. I can run fast. Okay, so remember your finger space after every word. Write a word, finger space. Write a word, finger space. Write a word, finger space. So when you're writing, after you write a word, what do you put? Finger space. That's right. So word space, word space, word space. Okay, today when I look at your writing, I'll be so excited to see all the spaces that you have between your words. Okay, go ahead, writers, and get to work. Remember your spaces.